Welcome back, Quiz Vault. Guess the superhero by the movie. You have 5 seconds. Let's begin. Who plays Tony Stark in Iron Man? The correct answer is Robert Downey Jr. What is Spider Man's real name? The correct answer is Peter Parker. Which city does Batman protect? The correct answer is Gotham City. What is Superman's Kryptonian name? The correct answer is Kal-El. Which weapon is Wonder Woman famous for? The correct answer is the lasso of truth. What is Thor's hammer called? The correct answer is Mjolnir. Which hero carries a vibranium shield? The correct answer is Captain America. What is Black Panther's home nation? The correct answer is Wakanda. Which object contains the time stone? The correct answer is the Eye of Agamotto. What is Aquaman's real name? The correct answer is Arthur Curry. What is the Flash's real name? The correct answer is Barry Allen. What insect inspires Ant-Man? The correct answer is ant. Who leads the Guardians of the Galaxy? The correct answer is Star-Lord. What is Shazam's real first name? The correct answer is Billy Batson. What color is Deadpool's costume? The correct answer is red. Who is the main villain in Black Adam? The correct answer is Sabak. What is Iron Man's AI called? The correct answer is Jarvis. Which Infinity Stone is in Vision's forehead? The correct answer is the Mind Stone. Who is Shang-Chi's father? The correct answer is Wenwu. Which Eternal is the team's leader? The correct answer is Ajak. Who trains Bruce Wayne in Batman Begins? The correct answer is Ra's al Ghul. Which newspaper does Clark Kent work for? The correct answer is Daily Planet. Who is Wonder Woman's love interest? The correct answer is Steve Trevor. What is Loki's relationship to Thor? The correct answer is adopted brother. Which project created Captain America? The correct answer is Project Rebirth. What herb gives Black Panther his powers? The correct answer is heart-shaped herb. Which dimension does Dormammu rule? The correct answer is the dark dimension. Who is Aquaman's half-brother? The correct answer is Ocean Master. Where does Scott Lang work after prison? The correct answer is Baskin Robbins. What species is Groot? correct answer is Flora Colossus. Which wizard gives Billy Batson his powers? The correct answer is Wizard Shazam. What is Deadpool's real name? The correct answer is Wade Wilson. What power gives the Flash his speed? The correct answer is the Speed Force. Who voices Rocket in the MCU? The correct answer is Bradley Cooper. Which country does Black Adam protect? The correct answer is Kandak. Which villain says "Hello, Peter"? The correct answer is Dr. Octopus. Who is the young mutant in Logan? The correct answer is Laura. What prison holds many DC villains? The correct answer is Belle Reve. Who is Peter Quill's father? The correct answer is Ego. What is Carol Danvers' Air Force call sign? The correct answer is Bose. Who invented the PIM particles? The correct answer is Hank Pym. What metal is Mjolnir made from? The correct answer is Uru. Which AI guides Superman? The correct answer is Jor-El AI. Who is Batman's loyal butler? The correct answer is Alfred Pennyworth. Which ring creates Doctor Strange's portals? The correct answer is the sling ring. Which object grants wishes in Wonder Woman 1984? The correct answer is the Dreamstone. Which kingdom is ruled by King Nereus? The correct answer is Zebel. Who becomes the new Black Panther? The correct answer is Shuri. What bonds with Jaime Reyes? The correct answer is the Scarab. Which word transforms Billy Batson? The correct answer is Shazam.